Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. This is Luandile here, the leader of Manikwe School. Basically, Manikwe School is a school that is actually dedicated to teaching problem-solving skills programmatically. On this school, we not concern much about the content of certain sections, right? We only concern about exercises themselves. So today we are going to be doing exercise 1.6, and we're going to be doing it from student A's perspective. So without any further words, let's get on to the question. This is the textbook we're going to be using in case you haven't noticed. So this is the textbook we're going through. So we're basically going to be solving each and every problem on this textbook. So you gotta stay tuned if you still, if you do have an interest. Okay, so let's go to the question itself. Let's zoom in. Here's the question. We are asked to write a program that displays the results of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. Okay, so let's go to our IDE. We create new project, a Java project. Our project name will be exercise. 1.6, and our location will be the one I'm about to pick, right here. Okay, we hit finish. Since we're doing this exercise from student A's perspective, we're gonna have to name our class exercise _1_6A, and then we check this checkbox, and then we hit finish. The most straightforward solution but less readable is the following: system.out.print, and then we go and then we go 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. This is from student A. Let's hit the run button. So this is what we get. So that's pretty much it for this exercise. See you guys on the next exercise, which is 1.6 from student C's perspective.